Hey guys, welcome back. So because we are quarantining and a lot of us ain't going nowhere, I decided to do a updated skincare routine, and it's kind of budget friendly. Most of these things come from Birchbox, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys some Birchbox things that I'm trying out right now in this video, and I'm also gonna show you guys this toner that I'm going to be using. Love it so much. It's not from Birchbox, but it's from The Ordinary. Love this toner so much. It's the glycolic acid 7% toning solution. Love it. It lasts a long time. Really love it. It gets rid of a lot of different problems, especially my problems, like I've got like these dark spots that come along my ears area here, because I've got a lot of like sideburn kind of hairs and stuff, so I do get a little bit of spots. That's the only place I'm getting spots. It's really weird, but yeah, I don't really do my edges too much hair, but for some reason I'm getting a few spots along my hairline, and all around here is fine, everywhere else is fine. All I do get right now is just like whiteheads. But yeah, we're gonna wash my face. On my face right now, I'm using this that I got in a Birchbox. It's Sebamed, or Sebamed, I don't know how you say it. It's clear face gentle scrub, and it's great for impurities and acne prone skin. And this is the one I'm using. Take a breathe, take a screenshot, write it down, go and look for it. pH on this is 5.5, which is really good for your skin. So let me just read a little bit about what this says on here. It says it's a gentle pore deep cleansing, and it gets rid of impurities. It reduces skin impurities. It removes dirt particles, excessive sebum and dead skin cells, and refines the complexion and mattifies the skin. So what you do, you wet your face, put it on, and you massage it into your skin. You rinse thoroughly with water and avoid eye area, which I always do whenever I do any mask or anything like that. Any kind of serums, anything strong like acidic stuff, I do not put around my eyes. My toners, yes, I'll probably wipe it a little bit with my cotton wool around my eye bit, but not too excessively. And they said scrub can be used once daily. So I've been using this for, I would say, like 2 to 3 times a week. So mine's already done because this is a little tiny one that I got in my box. So I've been using this really heavily. Really like this product, and I also like their skin gel, like a gel that you use after you wash your face with things like this. So Sebamed or Sebamed, they really have really good stuff, so really check it out, and they're really affordable. So I'm gonna wash that off because I have this on now for about an hour. I've had it on for my face. I don't know, I've been so busy, so I just left it on. That's why it looks dry like that. It's almost falling off a bit, but I like to just leave this in when I really want a deep cleanse. I just leave it on my skin, sometimes even up to 2 hours. It doesn't do anything to your skin. So after I wash my face, which I'm going to be using this hair that I got in Birchbox. So this is Brushworks Eco Congic Sponge. It's biodegradable and fully sustainable. It's environmentally safe and friendly. So I'm going to just open this for the first time, and it's a pink clay sponge for excessively sensitive skin. So I get sensitive skin now and again, and because I want to just do a gentle scrub after having this on for so long, which is also a scrub, I want to do this. And it's great for tired, sensitive and dehydrated skin, which I have right now. Even though I'm drinking so much water, my skin is still dehydrated. So it's going to help rejuvenate my skin and exfoliate my skin. So what I'm going to do is wet it under the water, rub it, massage my skin, get rid of all of this scrub off my face, and also do a gentle scrub after with lukewarm water. And then they said that you can wash this every 2 weeks. You can put in hot boiling water and 5 minutes to disinfect it, but it's one of those sponges that you can use over and over again. It already feels like it's got some kind of soap inside of it. It's very soft, it's squishy. says it will, when you pick up your sponge, it will be dry and hard. Mine is not dry and hard. You will need to wet it on the warm water until it's completely soaked and soft. Once it's wet and puffy, in a circular motion around your face to remove dirt and cleanse, it will gently exfoliate. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I don't know why mine's wet, it's not dry. I don't know if I've got some kind of something happened to mine, but yeah, it was a bit dry. I mean, it was a bit wet. So I'm gonna do that, come back, show you guys my skin, then apply my toner and this, oh dear, this Lumaine oil. This is a very good cocktail oil. And lastly, after that, I'm gonna apply my own scrub. I make this, is almost done. This is my whip body butter. It is so good. I use it all over my body. This keeps my skin glowing, clear, beautiful, and I can use it on my face and my hair. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like when I'm using that lastly on my skin. I do not really use a lot of stuff on my skin, guys. The less you use, the better. And yeah, that's the way you're going to find out what really works for your skin, okay? So let me go and wash this off and stop talking now and come back and show you guys what my skin looking like. So this is my skin after I washed it and scrubbed it and everything. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a cotton wool with my ordinary toner. Put just a little dab on there and get it saturated. Not too much, just enough. And just do like a clean sweep over that just to get any excessive dirt or residue off, or any product from the scrub that I used, because you know those scrub kind of just dry and get stuck on my skin, especially when I use it longer than recommended. There's no recommended time anyway, so I'm just wiping that off until the cotton wool is flat and saturated, and you'd be surprised that you still get dirt coming off. So this is the only time I'll apply like some of the toner around my eye area, and then clean up on the hair, around my hairline, on my neck. Then I throw it away. Did get some in my hair, so just wipe that out a little bit. So I really love that toner. It really helps to keep my skin clear and nice, as you guys can see. So if you can get your hands on this ordinary toner, get your hands on it. Next, I'm going to be using this product right here. I got in my Birchbox. I've been using it for a while now. Try not to use it too much because I wanted to do a review on it, tell you guys about it. Comes and looks like this beautiful cocktail mix. What you're meant to do is just shake it up before you use it. It turns like that, kind of light pink color. You spray a little bit, couple dabs of oil on your hand, then you apply it into your skin. had to use lots of oil, guys, if you didn't know. So let me read a little bit about this oil. It's an Arctic berry oil cocktail, and it's from Finland. It's called Nordic Sea. And what this does, just gently rub that in my cheeks. It smells so good, guys. It's vitamin C, A, B3, B5, and E, right? Oh, it smells so good. And it's great for normal and oily skin. I mean, normal and dry skin. Which, as I was saying to you earlier, my skin feels a bit dehydrated right now. So, oils really help me and keeps my skin glowing. It's great for skin brightening. It keeps your skin youthful, looking healthy and glowing. So what you're meant to do is shake before use, apply it to your face and your neck. Never forget your neck. And they said that for best result, use it with a moisturizer, which I'm going to be using my Shea Whipped Body Butter. And because I'm going to use it on my neck, I put a lot on my face. But I'm telling you now, it's like really great. Oh, I love vitamin C on my face. It's even great right now for your insides, your immune system. So while you're boosting your immune system, it's great to boost your skin. So I'm just going to massage that in my neck and everywhere. I'm going to be 36 soon, guys, and I need to try and keep my skin looking tip-top shape. And as you guys can see, my skin is looking good. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna apply my whipped body butter that I made myself. I'm gonna be selling these, so if you guys are interested, please comment below, let me know. Follow me on Instagram, all of that. I love my whipped stuff. They are very amazing. Even my newborn babies, my kids, everybody use these. My family, I give it to everyone that comes around my house. Well, nobody could come right now, but before this, baby, it just melts right into your skin. It keeps your skin moisturized. Look at that, glowing. So what I'm gonna do, when I'm doing it in my neck, I rub it upwards. You can also rub it into like these areas. Keeps your skin nice and glowing. I'm just gonna apply it on top of this oil and in my hairline, just like right here, because it's got shea butter and stuff in there. It's great for growing your hair, your edges. It's great for your brows. This is why my brows are all natural, guys. Look at my brows. And then you can also rub it in your lashes, which is gonna help grow your natural lashes. So massage it around my eye area as well with these fingers, because it's the lightest fingers you can use, and that's just gonna help get rid of any wrinkles and fine lines, and also around my lips to get rid of any dryness and to exfoliate it. By tomorrow morning, I'll be able to exfoliate my lips very easily by just rubbing it with a toothbrush or peeling it off with my toothbrush or anything like that, or with a flannel, or even with my sugar scrub. I also make sugar scrubs, so great. So yeah, this is what I do, guys, naturally keeping my skin in tip-top shape, to keep it glowing, youthful, and boost this melanin. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in any of my products, please let me know. And also, if you want any of these products listed, please let me know, because I want to share everything with you guys, so you guys can try these out and have glowing skin too. Thank you for watching, and until next time. Oh, I have some product in my hair. I'll get that out. But until next time, guys, peace, and yeah, keep looking after your skin and everything else will be fine.